In this video, you will gonna familiar with 5 new smart phrases. Smart phrases which native speaker use to make your speech more easier in day-to-day life. Now it's your thing to make your speech more easier. So let's get started. The first one, you can say that again. It's mean yes, it will. For example, a friend said the party was really awesome. You can say that again because there it was. Another one, well, I never. It's mean you are quite shocked about that news. For example, someone told you she really agreed to marry him. Well, I never. It doesn't mean you will never marry him or her. It's mean you are quite shocked about that news. So you can use this phrase. Well, I never. Third, great mind thinks alike means having kind of same thoughts. For example, your friend said, let's have a lunch break. I have exactly thinking the same because great mind thinks alike. Another one, let's face it means let's face the situation honestly. For example, that program doesn't work. Let's face it because you have to face it honestly. So you can say let's face it. The last one and not the least, that was you win some, you lose some. I don't like to say this word because it's quite heavy, but if you fail in something, don't be sad because you win some, you lose some. Yes, you can use this phrase like this. For example, we have to shut down this business this week, but in this industries, you win some, you lose some.